Hi everyone. Today I will show you the process of adding audio to individual slides in Canva. Whether you are editing a presentation or a video, this step-by-step guide will help you customize your project with audio for each slide. Let's begin. First, open Canva. Canva is a versatile platform that allows you to edit videos, create presentations, design invitations, and more. For this tutorial, we will focus on adding audio to slides in a video or presentation. Start by opening the project you are working on. This could be a video, presentation, or any other file you want to edit. Once you've opened your file, you will see the editing canvas. At the bottom, instead of pages, Canva organizes your project into scenes or slides. Each slide is associated with a time frame. If you haven't already, upload your video, presentation, or media file to Canva. For this example, I'll be editing a video. You can see that I have multiple slides or scenes, each with a specified duration. For instance, my first slide is 10 seconds long and serves as an intro. To add audio to a specific slide, select the slide where you want the audio to appear. Once the slide is selected, navigate to the Audio tab in the left-hand menu. If you don't see the audio option, click on the Apps section and scroll down to find it. The Audio tab provides access to a library of music tracks, including free and paid options. Browse through the available tracks and click on one to preview it. For this tutorial, I will choose an upbeat track. Once you've selected your audio, it will automatically appear on the timeline above the slide. Next, adjust the audio to match the slide's duration. You can do this by cropping the audio to fit the specific time frame. For instance, if your slide is 6 seconds long, drag the edges of the audio track to match that duration. This ensures that the audio will only play during the selected slide. Repeat the same process for the next slides. For each slide, select the appropriate audio, adjust its length, and ensure it matches the duration of the slide. If you want to add a voiceover instead of music, you can do that too. To add a voiceover, go to the Uploads tab and select the Record Yourself option. This will allow you to record your voice directly in Canva. Once the recording is complete, save it, and it will be added to the selected slide. If you want to customize the audio further, Canva provides additional options. Click on the three dots next to the audio track to access settings such as volume control, audio effects, and more. Use the fade in and fade out effects for smoother transitions between slides. You can also adjust the volume of the audio to ensure it complements other elements in your video. If you have your own audio files saved on your computer, you can upload them to Canva and add them to your slides. This is especially useful if you have a specific track or sound effect that isn't available in Canva's library. Once you've added and adjusted the audio for all your slides, preview your project to ensure everything sounds good. Play the video to confirm that each slide has the correct audio and that the transitions are smooth. By following these steps, you can add unique audio to each slide in Canva, creating a dynamic and engaging project. Thank you for watching this tutorial.